Okay. So today our session is expiry trading session. Okay, we will discuss about how we can trade expiry. Okay, this is only for Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty we still didn't have any process for expiry. So today we will discuss about Bank Nifty expiry trading. It's very simple session because this expiry trading will come with practice mostly. Okay, like around some 14 to 15 expiries we have done. I mean, after starting this official broadcast, around 14 to 15 expiries I have given. In that, someone is talking in background. Okay, 1 minute. Hello, is it fine now? Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, done, fine. Okay. So today we will discuss about expiry trading session. This expiry trading, we have done close to 15 to 16 expiries from October. Okay, and in that around some 6 to 7 we have done little live also. Like I share the screen and we have done. Or even sometimes if I'm not sharing, I used to take a position, immediately take screenshot and send in our group. I mean, send in our channel, Telegram channel. So here the main concept of expiry trading is it will just come with experience. Here I will just give you an idea of how we can able to trade expiry. Okay, I will just give you some inputs in today's session. From next expiry, whenever we are doing, then you will have a little bit of idea of what I am doing and how I am giving the trades. Okay, so that if you practice for another 10 to 15 expiries, then you are able to understand. Okay, it's not that if I just tell something today and if you can implement in the next week, it is not possible. So that is why I conduct this mentorship program for 2 to 3 months so that you are able to understand something. Okay, then after 2 to 3 months also, if you can follow the broadcast for another 5 6 months, then only you will able to understand all these methods because it's all about my hard work from last 7 8 years. So I prepared all these things. Okay, it will not come for 1 or 2 weeks or mentorship. It will not come. Okay, so you should spend some time. You should do some practice. You should have some faith in the strategies, even if you are in drawdown or even if market is not supporting, then only all these things will help you. Okay, so for me, this expiry trading means I try to focus. I try to focus for 0.5% gain in each expiry. So that every month we will get like 4 expiries. So at least we can try to make 2% from just 4 days of expiry. This is the main agenda, okay, of expiry trading. So how to make this 0.5% gain? Okay, if we see like last 15 16 expiries, we almost made money in all expiries except 1 or 2 we made loss. Okay, so I keep a target of in our model account, that account is 20 lakh size. So I keep a target of 10,000 rupees to get 0.5. So how we can able to get this? What are the strategies we will use? Okay, how we can build this expiry trading system is what we will discuss today. So in expiry trading session, we should remind 1 minute. Yeah. So here we should be keeping a note of inverted triangles overnight on Wednesday, then expiry trading in straddles or triangles till 1 p.m. Next week, straddles after 1 p.m. Butterfly strategy 12 p.m. Current expiry. Okay, these are the four things we will discuss today. So our main intention is to focus on 0.5% gain. Okay, if you want to get 0.5% gain, okay, for suppose if my capital is 20 lakh rupees, if I want to make 0.5%, that is 10,000 rupees. Okay, I should make 10,000. So here there are many people, okay, many people who will trade expiry by taking good leverage. Okay, like buy 2 rupees option, 3 rupees option, get leverage and do this. Like that many people are doing. Like if my capital is 20 lakh, I can use even like 30 to 40 lots also, like 1,000 quantity also I can sell, but we will be mainly focused on position sizing. Okay, we will be mainly focused on position sizing. So what we do is for 20 lakh, I am doing only 10 lots. So if I am doing 10 lots, which is 250 quantity. If I am doing only 250 quantity, if I get only 250 quantity, I should make at least 40 points gain in expiry so that I will make my 0.5%. Okay, so we should keep this as an idea. For example, if your capital is 10 lakh rupees, so you should make 5 lots. Okay, if your capital is 10 lakh rupees, you should do with 5 lot and you need to able to get like 40 points. Okay, if you are able to get 40 points, then your 0.5% for the day is done. So how to get this 40 points is what we should find out. So here what we do is to get this 40 points gain, we will start with inverted triangle on Wednesday. Okay, I mean before expiry day. So now in next week, expiry day is a Wednesday. So we will start our trade from Tuesday overnight. Okay, first we will take Tuesday overnight, then we will start. If I am able to get like 20 to 30 points or even 40, 50 points also in overnight, then I will get a cushion to trade expiry. So sometimes what happens is, I mean, except for last 2 to 3 weeks, almost every overnight trade before expiry, we are able to make at least 30 to 40 points. So there itself, we will get like 0.5% or I mean there we do like little less size, so we will be able to get 0.25 or 0.3% in just overnight itself. Okay, like if I'm getting 50 points or 60 points in overnight, then I'm able to get 0.3% in just overnight itself. So that is also possible. So what we need to aim is, for considering overnight and expiry, both we should aim for 0.5% in the least conservative mode. For suppose if I'm getting 0.5% from overnight itself, then we can try another 0.5% in expiry trading and we are able to get 1% for that expiry. So this is what we should plan. Okay, our basic goal is to make 0.5% on expiry. Okay, for example, this 0.5 or 0.3, 0.4 will come from overnight itself. Then we can aim for a little more for that expiry. Okay, so that we will be reaching more than 0.5% for the particular expiry. So now we will discuss how we can do it. What is our total expiry trading plan, or what we can do further to make this gains. So on a broader way, what we will do for an expiry trade is we will start from inverted triangles before day. Okay, before day we will start from inverted triangle. Next day opening we will book either in profit or loss. By 9:20 we will close the inverted triangle. After closing it, we will wait for some time for the market to settle. Earlier days, I mean, when algos are not there as they are present, okay, whenever the algos are very much less, then we are able to start this expiry trading by 9:15 or 9:16 itself. But now everybody is running the algos. So first 15 to 20 minutes, the market is moving like crazy. Okay, so you can't able to take any trade at the starting itself. So that is why what we do, we will book our present trade. I mean, we will book our overnight trade, whatever carried is it. Then we will wait for some time. After 15 minutes candle is formed, then we will take the trade slowly. Okay, like I am saying, we will do 10 lots, but here we will not take 10 lot immediately. First, we will try with 6 lot. Okay, then slowly, if any spike is happening, then we will increase the quantity and we will come to 10 lot. But my thumb rule for expiry, I mean, whoever is beginner or whoever is following others' strategies. I mean, for example, if you are following my broadcast, if you are following my Telegram, so my suggestion to you is close expiry trade by 1 p.m. Because after that the movement is very much faster. Sometimes I need to take an entry in my model account, then I need to take a screenshot, then I need to post. This process will take 10 to 15 seconds or 15 to 30 seconds also sometimes. Okay, so in that 30 seconds also, the option price, if I'm thinking to exit by 150, okay, it will give you a price of 200 also. Sometimes it will give you a price of 100 rupees also. Okay, it depends, because the 30 seconds, or if it delay by 1 minute and all, so the slippages will be very much more. So that's why I prefer to close all expiry trading by 1 p.m. itself. Okay, after closing the expiry trading by 1 p.m., then we can shift to next week straddles. So let me tell you one thing. On expiry day, suppose if straddle is opening at 300 rupees, okay, technically this 300 should become zero. Okay, this 300 should become zero. This 300 will decay by 50%. Okay, will decay by 50% by 1 p.m. Okay, so by 1 p.m., if straddle is opening at 300 rupees, by 1 o'clock, the premium will be 115, or at least, I mean, 160 or 150, somewhere like 40 to 50% of premium will be decayed. After 1 p.m., you will be trading with very less premium, like just 150 rupees, which is just point 0.3 or point 0.4 of index. 0.3 of 0.4 percentage move of index. So we will get only 150. From 1 p.m., the chance of making money will become little less in expiry, unless and until you will be very actively trading and you are used to for big MTM swings. Suddenly, if market fall one small candle of 100 points also, you will get good loss. Then again, you need to do adjustment, you need to sit in the trade, so it will be a lot of stress. Okay, in my program, okay, in my trading methods, I will not take any stress, or I will not include a term called as stress. So I will not be teaching after 1 o'clock what you need to do. Okay, because it's all about how you do and how anxiety you trade. Okay, then only you can make money. There are people who is making money after 1 p.m. also, but it will be like thrill game. Okay, that I don't want, and I don't want to teach also. That after 1 o'clock, I am not saying anything. So my point is, after 1 o'clock, this 150 will become zero, and definitely market will move more than 300, 400 points after 1 o'clock. So it will be very difficult to make money from 150. So what I do after 1 o'clock, I will go for next week's strategy. Okay, instead of trading in present week, I will go for next week's straddle. Next week's straddle will decay at least 5 to 10% of premium, 5 to 10% of premium from 1 p.m. At least it will decay 5 to 10% from 1 p.m. So for suppose yesterday, I mean, in next on Wednesday also, whenever it is there, the next Wednesday we can't do on next week because first is budget. I mean, coming Wednesday is a budget, so we can't decide how the premium will move. Okay, that we don't know how premium will move. But let me just show you. See, this is a bank nifty. Okay, before expiry. I mean, before expiry date, Wednesday. No, 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 on expiry day. Okay, on Thursday itself, I created this position. You can just observe this is just a 10 lot only. Okay, this is just a 10 lot only. I created on 1240. Okay, I created on 1240. I created a triangle. Okay, instead of straddle, I just created a triangle like bullish. I mean, I created like little bearish straddle, but market, you know how market went yesterday also. But still, it is giving the good return. Even by yesterday morning itself, it has given me like 60 to 70 points or 70 to 80 points also it has given. So what I am trying to say is instead of making money from this 150 after 1 p.m. Try to sell in next week straddle and make money. So this 150, if you are able to grab 20 to 30 points in next week straddle, you can easily get 30 to 40 points also. So my point is stop the expiry trading by 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. focus on next week. So whatever money you are thinking to earn from present week expiry after 1 p.m., you can easily earn from next week expiry. Okay, next week expiry after 1 p.m. with very bigger premium. Even though any 300 point movement also is comes, next week option will not give you any loss. But if 300 point movement will come when you sold a straddle for 150, definitely will be in a very good loss. Okay, so please think this point. So what we do is in expiry trading, okay, we will not take any stress. Okay, we'll just trade peacefully even on expiry also with very less size based on our capital. So here the point is we will start the expiry trading from previous day itself. First we do overnight. Once we close overnight, we will wait for some time. Then wait for 15 minutes at least for 15 minutes candle to form. Then we will take a strike based on that 15 minutes candle. Okay, either triangle or straddle. Then we will close the position by 1 o'clock, whatever the profit it is, profit or loss it is. Then after 1 p.m., focus on next week. Okay, next week. This is a basic agenda of expiry trading. Now, there is a one more strategy called as butterfly strategy. So first I will just give you a small view on how this butterfly strategy will work. Okay. So what I will do, I'm just create one butterfly. See, butterfly strategy is nothing but butterfly. I will write in next page, then we will write in downside. Yeah. So butterfly strategy. Butterfly is very simple. I think everybody knows. Okay, it is nothing but an iron fly, but in different sense. Buy one ITM option sell to ATM option, buy one UTM option. That's it. Okay, I will just create in Abstract so that we can see. Yeah, I will explain inverters, triangle, everything. I'm just giving a brief of how we do. So I am just doing, I'm creating whatever I said. So right now spot is 42,500. So what I do, I will buy one ITM option. 42,500 means let's say 300 points difference. So 42,200 call I will buy one lot I bought, and 42,500 call I have to sell two lot. And so this is only for bank Nifty, because Nifty you can't do expiry properly. Then 42,800 I will sell one more. I will buy one more lot. See, the payoff will come like iron fly. See here, this is a proper iron fly. Okay. If you see here, my risk reward, I am losing 3%, but I am able to get 14% as a max profit. If you observe here, my max reward ratio is 1:5. So I am telling one thing, whenever you are doing option selling, you should not focus on risk to reward. Okay. Whenever you are doing directional trading or option buying, then only you have to focus on risk reward. Whenever you are doing option selling, you should focus on probability of profit. Okay, how much, I mean, what is the chance of making money is more important than risk to reward. Because we know that almost like in 20 trading sessions, 14 to 15 trading sessions we will be profitable. Only that 6 days we will lose. Okay, that 6 days you should lose less. Then you are net profitable. That is the only thing in option selling. Okay, like they said that you eat like ant and shit like elephant. So that is the option selling. So option selling, you should never think on a risk reward. So if you see here in this butterfly strategy, the risk reward is 1:5. Okay, any person is interested to take this trade. But if you see the probability of profit, it's only 25%. So even though it's correct, okay, I'm just having only 25% of chance of to make my strategy as correct. Okay, but if I'm doing like triangle or straddle, it will not give the max reward ratio. Okay, so here what I do, I just add 42,500, put two lot, sell. Okay, then I will remove this iron fly. I will just remove. Again, I will add. I'll just show you. Yeah. So if you see this, this is a normal basic straddle. If I do normal basic straddle, my probability of profit is 52%, but max risk reward is 0. Okay, because you can't calculate. If you are doing a trading in option selling, you should never calculate risk reward because it's always unlimited risk. Okay, people will say it's always unlimited risk, but at 1.1% or 2% you will keep some stop loss and you will come out. But technically, theoretically, if you see, it's an unlimited risk. So that is why you can't create a risk reward. But if you do this iron fly, then you are able to get the risk reward, but that will just sit in paper only. Okay, that will not happen in real trading. Okay, that risk reward will not happen in real trading. It will just sit in paper only. So now what I do, we'll just go back to our normal butterfly. So 42,200 call one lot buy, then 42,800 call one lot buy. So this is a proper butterfly. So I will just tell you, please understand what is this blue line. Okay, what is this blue line in abstract? So what it will say, for example, here my max profit in this location is, okay, I mean, this location means if market is expiring exactly at 42,500, can we directly create butterfly and upstraw? Like, no, no, no. For butterfly, you should always think the strike. Then only you are able to get profit. That also I will come. Okay. So here in butterfly, if market is expiring at 42,506 on expiry day, I mean after 3 days on Wednesday, if you are expiring at 42,500, I will get 6,100 rupees. Okay, because that's my max profit here. In this week, here is my max profit 6,121 or 171 I will get. For example, if today is expiry, I mean, if market is staying here only for whole day, for today, my profit is minus 84. Are you able to see this blue line? This blue line is most important. It will tell what is your PNL for today if market is staying in that range. Okay, so for suppose this range, okay, one sigma range 41,600. Okay, if market is trading at 41,600 here in downside, so today my loss is T plus 0 loss is minus 792. But my overall, if market is expiring at 41,619 on expiry day, I will be losing minus 1329. That is my max loss. But if today itself, if market goes to 41,600, I will be losing 800. So that's what T plus 4 will say. So what happens if today, even if market is there only, it is not giving me any profit. It is saying minus 85 rupees. Okay, it's fine. Now, what I do, I will select this payoff it as Monday. Okay, let's see what it says. On Monday, for suppose if market is trading at 42,506 only, even on Monday, okay, like tomorrow, one trading session, market is trading at 42,500, maximum I am able to get 455 rupees only. Earlier, I told we are able to get 6,171, but here I'm getting only 455. So in 6,171 in one, I mean, 6,171 if I'm getting on expiry, but if tomorrow also Bank Nifty will not move any day and one day is over, I am getting only 455. So I will just share you some comparison, then you get more understanding. So here I will just add you a straddle 42.5 and will call 42,500 total. Okay, so please observe this one more, then you will understand it. So here it is saying that probability of profit is 52.17, max profit is 13,400. So here, if today market is staying at 42,500, I will be getting 24 rupees because today is a holiday. And if market is expiring at 42,500 on expiry day, I will be getting 13,215 rupees. For suppose here I will change the payoff graph as tomorrow, okay, on Monday, 23rd. So you can observe here, I am able to get if tomorrow, if one day, okay, tomorrow Monday, market is staying at 42,506, then I will be getting 4,000 rupees. So it's like I'm getting 140, 160 points profit. Okay, as per Opstra, as per T plus 0 line, okay, I am able to get if tomorrow is a expiry, okay, this is a max profit I am able to get. Okay, how much? 4,000 rupees I am able to get. But here in butterfly, I am able to get only 400. So here they are saying, I mean, in Upstrong, we seen that 14,000 is a max profit. In first day itself, we are able to get 4,000. So 4,000 divided by 14,000 will be like 30% of decay we can expect in the first day itself in straddle. For suppose I sold for 250, 290. So 540 rupees. Okay, 540 rupees I sold. In first day itself, I can expect 30% of decay because there is only 3 sessions left. So I can expect 30% decay in the premium in the first day, like 140 points something, it will decay. Even though 30% same decay is happening for this also for iron fly, but still we are making only 400 rupees, like 14-15 points only we are making. Okay, so next we will see, I will keep 24 second day as an expiry. So here I will keep 24. For normal straddle, 24 if I'm keeping, I'm able to make 6,700. Okay, 6,700 divided by 14,000 will be like 50%. Almost 50% decay will happen in next 2 days in straddle. Okay, but here out of 6,000 max profit, I am able to get only 1,100, like not even 20%. But in normal straddle, I am able to get 50% in 2 days itself. Here, I am able to get 1,100. Now, if I go to expiry day, then again it will come back to 6,100. Here, if I go to expiry day, here if I go to expiry day, this also it will show 13,490. So here my point is, if you are creating a butterfly, okay, there are so many YouTube videos, okay, there are so many Twitter circles or anywhere in the social media, people are creating this butterfly, okay, this fly or something like this, and they are saying it is a no loss strategy or something. Okay, like risk reward also people will show it's a 1.4, 1.5. Sometimes I can even create like 1:10 risk reward also. But what I want to convey here with live example is that this butterfly will give you profit only after expiry day 12 o'clock. Okay, so here we have done for 3 days. Okay, I am saying tomorrow if you create the same trade, okay, 42,500 buy, 42,200 call, buy 42,500 to lot sell, 42,800 buy. If you create this butterfly, tomorrow if market is staying here only, you will not get any money. If even day after tomorrow also, if market is not going anywhere and if market is flat, you still won't get any money. Maximum 20-30 points you will get. Then on expiry day also till 12 p.m. the premium may settle more, so you will not get any profit. From expiry 12 p.m. you get very fast profit in this strategy. So that is why what we do is we will create this butterfly strategy post 12 p.m. on expiry. So first we will discuss about this butterfly strategy. What we have to do: buy one ITM option, sell two ATM option. Okay, because ATM is everything is a time value. Buy one OTM option. This is a butterfly thing. Here profit will start from 12 p.m. post expiry. 12 p.m. on expiry date. So please find the range of expiry by using max pain, open interest, or price action. Then sell that ATM wherever you think expiry will happen, and buy 300 times away ITM and protein. Enter 12:30 p.m. and hold till expiry or till you get 3 to 60% of max profit. Yes, sir. already we did. How much margin required? See, butterfly margin is very less. See here, the margin is only 42,000. But for normal straddle, straddle the margin is 1.6. So if you are doing one straddle, you can create four butterflies with the same margin. Or even five also is possible because it's all hedged one. You know your risk. See, your risk is only 1300. Okay, if you are creating this butterfly, your risk is only 1300. So even in YouTube videos also somewhere I have seen the people will say it's a no risk strategy. You can take butterfly, but whatever the butterfly you create, whatever be the index, even in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, or even stocks also, if you are creating this butterfly strategy, the money will come. The money will come only on expiry day. Till then, wherever market moves, even if market stays flat only, you will not get even single rupee also. That is very less price, very less return you will get even if market stays flat. That's the only disappointment of butterfly in normal days. Even though it is hedged, even though the risk reward is good, it will not give you any money. Okay, till expiry date, it will not give any money. So what I do is on expiry day by 12 o'clock only this will start. So what we can do, you can go to where is this max pane, open interest. Somewhere we get to this max pane. Yeah. So in this open interest, okay, you can whatever the method you know, okay, to decide where the expiry will happen. Okay, maybe from open interest. Okay, in open interest you are able to know, or just see the max pain. And if market is saying like 18200, okay, for bank nifty, yeah, for bank nifty, so there are more puts is written presently, so market may go upside, but on expiry day you can just see and you can able to know where is the location. I mean, where is the expiry, where expiry will happen. So if you choose a proper strike, your chance of making money is very huge. That last 3 hours, you can make very good money with butterfly with hedge position. So here, whenever you create this butterfly, your payoff will be the same. Okay, your payoff will be the same. Yeah, whatever we shown earlier, your payoff will be properly same, like it's a V shape, and the risk is defined. Okay, whenever you are creating a butterfly, your loss is already defined, so there is nothing to fear about the loss. So what you need to do is, if you want to make money from this butterfly strategy, you need to know where the expiry will happen. At least see what happens here. Create one more time. I think it went. So 42, 200, I need to buy. 42, 200 call, I will buy one lot. 42, 500 call, I will sell two lot. Here's 42, 800 call, I will buy one lot. Okay. So these are basic. So what is happening? You just see here I sold like 42,500. Okay, 42,500. And the range, max range will give by butterfly is 300 points max. Okay, not even 300 points. So here the downside, my break even is 42, 200, 250 points. Upside, my break even is 750. So 250 point is my range. So technically after 1 o'clock, okay, after 1 o'clock on expiry day, market might stay in a range of 250 to 300 points most of the time. So this strategy may give you money. So even you can expected market to stay at 42 600, but it stayed at 42 500. So you make 6,000 rupees. So for example, you expect the market to expire at 42,500, but let's say it went to 42,600. Okay, 42,600. Still, you are able to make 42,650. Okay, after 150 points also, still you are able to make 2,500. If market goes 42,700, still you are able to make 1,300. So 50, 60 points or 40, 50 points. So what I am trying to say is this butterfly will not give you money on first day of expiry or second day of expiry or third day of expiry or even morning of expiry. It will not give. After 12 o'clock only, it will give the money. So my point is you should start taking this butterfly after 12 o'clock by knowing some input of where the bank nifty will expire. That input I will check like max pain. So it might be correct. Okay, many times it will be wrong also. So at least I will be in little bit of safe strike. Okay, like you see, we are not God to predict where expiry will happen. That no one will predict. So that's why what I'm trying to say, at least you should predict in a range of 150 to 200 points range. So you are able to get some profit. Okay, so from tomorrow, from Wednesday, I mean from next expiry, we will just do with two sets or three sets in live. Okay, then you are able to see the result. The only thing is you should hold the position. Once you create a position, you should hold because market will go 100 points upside, then again it will come down 100 points downside. So you should not think whatever is there in your hand is just to create a strategy. I mean, just to punch an order, then it will take care. Only thing is you need to have some input like I see max pain. Some person who is able to know the open interest, they can fix some range, and in that range they can create that this model. Okay, this model means this big V shape. Okay, this big V shape, you can have a facility of 250 to 300 points. So you can create this big V at any strike. Once you create it, don't use more of your knowledge, okay, and do adjustment because every adjustment for this butterfly will spoil the butterfly. Okay, this will become so much of thing. So don't use more of your knowledge. So just create a butterfly by expecting some range, and you have to accept the loss. Whatever the loss it will show here, you have to accept the loss. Then you can definitely make money. If market expires there, you make like very good money. Or even if market is expiring 150 points or even 200 points also difference, then also no issue, you still make money. Only if it is moving more than 250 points, you start losing money. This is a butterfly. So the only point is buy one ITM, sell two ATM, buy one OTM. That is a construction of the trade. This trade profit will start from expiry because I showed you here. From live also we can show on next expiry date. So you need to find the range by using max pain, or if you are proficient in open interest you can use. If you are proficient in price action, you can use price action, whatever it is. Then sell that ATM call. So here I discussed about ATM call. So this we can create for put also. Same way. So here I created 42,000 put, two lot. I will sell 42,000 put means 300 point away. 42,800 put, I will buy one lot. 42,800 put, I will buy one lot. Then 42,500, 42,200 put, I will buy one more lot. Done. So again, same butterfly only. So you can create call butterfly, you can create put butterfly. Both, if you create the same some range, then you will be able to make money. So this is a put butterfly. Now, if I want to create a call, I will try with different strike. 42,600 I will try call, sell. 42,300 call on buy one lot. Then 42,900 call buy one lot. So it will become like this. This is just expanded a little bit. Okay, they just expanded a little bit. Like earlier we have, uh, so the range will be 0.5% is little higher from for 300 point is there, but downside it is 200 points because I just did little bullish. Okay, so you can create both call and put, but only thing is you need to know the direction. I mean, you need to know where that is expires. Entry is 12:30, no, entry is 12:30, 12:30 entry. You can create both PE and CE. How to predict a weather index? That is why I'm trying to say you can't predict the index. Okay, but at least by max pain or by open interest or something, you need to predict like at least in the 250 point range. Okay, because see, we are doing iron fly, we are doing straddle, nothing we are predicting, we are just going with a flow. So same way, this butterfly also you have to go with a flow. You can create one in put butterfly, one in call butterfly with different strike. So your range will be little more, but you should predict something. Okay, you should predict something. For that, I will use like max pain. Max pain may not be proper all the time, but still we get the 250 point range, so we can try. See, my only point is if you create a butterfly on today, Friday, 3 days you will not get any money. Your money will start getting from expiry day 12 p.m. only. So my point is let's start on expiry day 12:30 p.m. For creating this butterfly. We have more chance of making money. That's the only thing. You can't predict anything. Yeah, we need to create call put butterfly. You can create put butterfly will give more money because put side the ATM price will be little bit more. So that will be little bit more thing. Oh, enter here. This is at 12:30. Sorry, entry is 12:30. Okay. So how to do the max pain or what is a max pain means you can just Google it because there is so many articles on max pain. So here in my mentorship program, whatever is available in Google, we will not discuss. Okay, this is a butterfly method. Okay, butterfly method. This is one of the method which I use for expiry. Till now, I did not use in last 15 to 16 expiries, whatever we have done, because I did not conducted this session. So that is why I didn't use. From next session, we will do with or 3 set or 4 set. Then slowly you will understand. Okay, then you can create your own method from after 4 5 expiries. Okay, but this will work for most of the times. Most of the times, risk is very less, the return is very much high. Again, I am saying option selling is not on risk reward, but for the last 2 hours or 3 hours of trading, you can try this method. Okay, we are just doing this only for 2 to 3 hours only. How to get max pain in option?